Hi, this is Taylor from Zoho, and today we are going to talk about contracts in the context of AI. So sometimes we get a contract and we don't have time to immediately read it, but we do want a quick overview, a quick summary of what it entails. So we're going to show you how you can do that using Zia Hubs, a tool from Zoho. So here I am in Zia Hubs. I have a bunch of different versions of the same NDA, and I want a summary of the most recent version, number 10. So I am going to just type a simple prompt, give me a summary of NDA 10. I hit enter, and the computer does its thinking. And we get our summary from Zia. So it gets broken down by a number of headings, including parties involved, the purpose, what confidential information is involved, return or destruction, legal compliance, signatories, and importantly, at the bottom, our sources are listed. So it is only referencing NDA 10, which is what we wanted. And then there are a number of bookmarks that are linking to the particular areas where we are sourcing information from. So that is our quick little demo of Zia Hubs in the context of summarizing contracts. As a disclaimer, you should not use this in replace of legal counsel, and you should always seek out a lawyer before signing any contracts. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.